Last time, we explored the Effects button in FlipGrid, and we learned how we could insert an image, a title, or a white screen, such as what you're observing on the screen right now. This time, we're going to explore the Options button on the left-hand side. Located there, you will find the ability to record your screen and upload previously recorded video clips as well. Now, before you begin, you want to make sure that you have planned ahead. You want to have open all the tabs that you're going to be showing your viewers. You want to have them scrolled to the appropriate place and be familiar with them so you know what you're going to say. You do not want to make your viewer watch you open a tab, watch you do a Google search, and watch you stumble to get to the right place for the website. That's no fun for anybody. So you can see that I have preloaded the tabs that I want to use. I have scrolled them to the appropriate places so that I can tell my viewer about this piece of evidence. Now I'm ready to go start recording. So I come over to FlipGrid, I click the options, record screen, and start screen recording. You should see a box pop open, much like the one in Google Meet if you've ever had to share your screen in Google Meet. Personally, I'm a fan of using the Your Entire Screen option because that way, if I jump between tabs, I know that my viewer will see everything and I won't be leaving them stuck on one page while I'm talking about another one. Then you select the picture of your screen and you click Share. When the red dot has stopped blinking, I know that it's recording and I can come over here, I can highlight features of the website that I want to talk about, point out different pieces and parts, and when I'm done using this tab, I can come back over here and hit Stop Recording. Just the same as before, every time you hit record and stop, it puts a video break in so you can see my title screen, and now you can see the tab that I was showing you before. If I'm satisfied and I don't need to make any changes, I click Add More. Now when I've stopped recording my tab and I come back over to FlipGrid, I realize that I actually forgot to remove my title and my white screen. So before I'm going to record my next piece, I'm going to make sure that I get rid of that. So I'm just going to sit here and turn it all off. Now I might want to explain something to my viewer, so I'll hit record. I'll insert another piece of video into my FlipGrid. When I'm satisfied that I've said what I needed to say, I'll stop recording, go to the next screen. In this video, you continue to look at that segment, I'll edit it as needed, return back your screen to add another segment. And now I want to record my screen again. So I'll click on Options, Record Screen, select my entire screen, and share. I can see the red dot has gone solid, so I know that it's recording. And now I'm going to discuss this photo and this caption down below. When I'm done, come back over and stop recording. Preview that section. And if I'm done, I can just click Next again, finish up my video, and turn it in. You can select a frame for what you want to show. You can take a selfie if that's what you would like to do. Not me personally. I will use my frame, confirm my video, and it will upload my video for my assignment.